Let me ask you a question. Can you solve this question? A diver is 8 meters below sea level. He rises 3 meters and then dives 5 meters deeper. Where is he now? How will you figure this out? Before I start explaining, pause this video and tell me in the comments, how will you solve this? So now let me show you my own way of solving it. Now let's say this is the river level. So a diver is 8 meters below the sea level. So this is the sea level. This is the sea level. Now is 8 meters below the sea level. Let's see. Let's say this is 8 meters below the sea level. So the diver is 8 meters below the sea level. Let's see. He rises 3 meters. Let's take that first. Now, from this 8 meters, he rises 3 meters. Let's say 1, 2, 3. So he rises from this place to this place is 3 meters. So if he rises from this place to this place, and this is 3 meters, and a total of from up to this place is 8. So that means, let's use another color to differentiate. So that means this level to this level will be 5 meters. So now he rises 3 meters from that 8 meters. So that means he is currently here. The diver is currently here. Now, it now says, and then dives 5 meters deeper. So from this 3 meters now, he dives 5 meters deeper. So don't forget, this is 1, 2, 3 meters. So this will be 4. Let's say this is 5 meters. So he dives 5 meters deeper. If this is 5 meters deeper, from here to here is 5 meters deeper, that means this place to this place will be 2 meters. So this is 2 meters below the original 8 meters that is started from. That is 2 meters below the original 8 meters that is started from. Now the question says, where is he now? So if this is 8 meters below the sea level and he dives 2 meters deeper, so that means he is 10 meters below the sea level. So let's see. That means he is 10 meters, 10 meters, 10 meters below the sea level. So I love to use diagram. So that is why I use this diagram to explain. But now let's try and use math. Let's try and use math to explain. Now he dives. A diver is 8 meters below the sea level. Since he is below the sea level, that means he is -8. Is below. Negative is below. Above will be positive. So he is 8 meters below the sea level. That is -8. He rises 3 meters. So that means he rises 3 meters. From that -8, he rises 3 meters. He goes up by 3 meters and then dives 5 meters. So he's going deeper again, 5 meters. Where is he now? Excuse me. So now we have to take it one after the other. It started like this. We have to take these two together. -8 plus 3, this gives -5. Then -5 minus 5, this will give -10. So that means it is 10 meters below the sea level, just as we explained with the diagram. So this is another method. Mind you, when you are doing this, you have to be careful. Also, you can say -8 plus 3 minus 5. Plus 3 minus 5 is -2. So -8, -2, that is -10. But just be mindful of the signs and don't say, let's see a mistake that someone might make. Someone might say -8 plus 3 minus 5 and say -8 plus 3 minus 2. 3 minus 5 will give negative. Just be careful of the signs and make sure you do not make any mistake. So which method would you rather use? Would you rather use the diagram method to figure it out, or would you just put the numbers together like this? Just take note that diving in below means negative while going up means positive. Let me know in the comments how you were able to figure this out, and I will see you in the next one.